Hello friends, welcome to our channel Gentech21 once again. So friends, in this video I'm just going to show you the review and the unboxing of the OPPO A3S. As we all know that the notch display is very much trending now, and you can see these lots of smartphones which has come with the notch, and the OPPO is also not a different one, and OPPO just also launched its new segment of its notch enabled phone, which is named as A3S, and it is just having a 3 GB of RAM, 32 GB of internal storage. And as you can see, let's unbox it and find out what is the accessories and the phone of the OPPO A3S. So as we all know that is the our box, and this you can find that is the phone itself. And let's check out what kind of different things given by the company. This is the SIM injector tool, and this is the paperwork which is given by the OPPO, which is very simple now, and also a silicone case cover, which is very not too much durable, but I think that it's good. And when we're talking about the phone, yes, you can see the phone itself and the build quality and other kind of things you can see, and we're just talking about later, and we just try to find out that under the accessories given by the company. As you can see that it is the charger, and I think that is not a fast charger as like compared to the other smartphones, because it just give the micro USB cable, means it's not a type C cable. At the price of 12,000, I think it's not good for this OPPO. And the particular things which are given by the OPPO, and let's talk about its phone, and just open it up, and you can just see the OPPO, and as you can see that the notch display, and it's look like a really premium, and its build quality just make from the 6.2-inch LED screen, LCD screen, and the colors are punchy and look vibrant. As we all know that the OPPO is doing well at this segment, but one thing is very much disappointing is that it does not give the fingerprint sensor, and OPPO just also give that kind of things with its Realme segment as well, in Realme 1 as well. I don't know why, but it just unlocks with the face unlock, and it is just this based on the software updation. And we are talking about the camera is the 5 megapixel front camera and the 13 megapixel rear camera with dual camera, means you can just use the portrait mode and like lots of kind of other features as well. And let's check the camera, and you can see that this is the camera. The user interface is really not too much yet good, but it's satisfying, and you can see that the capture speed is really fast. And this phone is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 SoC. I think at that price point it's overpriced, and when you're talking about the processor, because the Qualcomm Snapdragon 450, as you can see, the OPPO are just using it in Realme C1 as well, and it's priced nearly about 6,000 to 7,000. And you can see that the overall look, and when you're talking about the overall look, it's looking classy, glossy finish. And as you can see, there is the 3.5mm jack, the headphone jack, there is the single firing speaker, micro USB charging port. As up you can see there is no any kind of noise cancellation mic, so it's also a negative factor. These lots of options are there, means time lapse, video mode, portrait mode, and panorama mode. And you can just find that these lots of new features also comes in that particular phone as well. And when you're talking about its software, and you can just see that there's lots of gestures and the customization given by the company, which is very common now. As you can just see, the smart face passcode. As you can see, you can just change the face unlock features as well from here. And when you're talking about the another features like software, software updation as known as the color OS, and as we all know that it's not this is the already latest version. These are the features given by the company. My first impression and the unboxing of the OPPO A3S, and about this product, just give your opinion on the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you like this video, please hit the like button